Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Toyota Avalon. First, ensure your vehicle is locked and all doors are securely closed. The remote start feature is a convenient way to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. This guide will walk you through the simple process, making sure you can comfortably prepare your Avalon for your journey, even from a distance of up to 80 feet. To begin, stand within 80 feet of your Avalon. Press the lock button on your key fob 3 times. On the third press, hold the button down for about 3 seconds. You should see your vehicle's hazard lights flash a few times, indicating the remote start sequence has begun. The engine will then start, and the climate control system will activate based on its last setting. For a more advanced option, you can use the Toyota app on your smartphone. First, download the app and ensure your Avalon has an active connected services subscription. Open the app, log in, and navigate to the remote services section. Tap the Start Engine button. The app will confirm the command and your vehicle will start, offering convenience from virtually any distance. Remember, the remote start feature is designed for convenience and safety. Your Avalon's engine will run for approximately 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. If you need more time, you can repeat the process. Always ensure your vehicle is parked in a well-ventilated area, and never use remote start if your check engine light is on. Enjoy the comfort of a preconditioned car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.